Talk tonight. This is video. It's on YouTube. I'm not laughing out loud. Getting millions of hits right now. It's a woman, as you see. She's walking through a mall in Pennsylvania. She's texting on her phone, and she's so zoned out as she's texting. She hits the fountain, and she just goes right in. She falls into the water. Online viewers, they're getting a laugh, as are we. But that lady does not think it's so darn funny. In fact, she's hired a lawyer, and she's considering a lawsuit. But does she have a leg to stand on? She has issues with standing anyway. But should the security personnel, should they have been more concerned about her well-being instead of, laughing at her and posting the video?
Which they were laughing, actually, if you listen to the video online. They also posted it online for the whole world to see. Question is, like we just said, does she really have a case if she decides to pursue this legally? Joining us live tonight is attorney Larry Walters to tell us his opinion. Larry, thanks for coming in.
Happy to be here.
Mall officials are not commenting on this woman's case tonight. Does she stand a chance of winning a lawsuit if she brings it against them?
All right, so there's two issues here. First is, does she have a right of privacy? Can she be filmed in this public place? The answer is yes, she can be. If she was in a dressing room or a tanning salon or something like that, we might have a privacy issue. But here, she's in a place where she can expect to be seen and possibly filmed.
Well, let me interject for one question there, though. She is in a public place, of course, but do they have the right to release that? I mean, there are surveillance cameras in tons of places. It doesn't mean that people should actually be posting them online, right?
Right. So the second issue is there a publicity rights violation? Does she have the right to profit from any publication of the video? And here, since there was no commercial use made of the video that was just posted on YouTube, it wasn't presumably for any commercial purpose for making money, just to make people laugh, then there's no publicity rights violation. There may be some issue with whether the guards were doing the right thing, whether they were paying enough attention, something like that. But it looks like they couldn't have predicted this was going to happen.
Right, and it's a moral and not a legal issue is what you're saying. I mean, there's really nothing legally, in your opinion, that can be done here.
No, I don't think she has a legal case. It's an unfortunate accident, and it made people laugh, and it was posted not for any commercial purpose.
It's a bruised ego. I want to ask you this, too. Tons of people are involuntarily online, whether it be a photo someone snaps of you and uploads to a photo-sharing website or YouTube, which I'm sure happens all the time as well. What advice do you have to people to keep their likeness, whether it be video or photos, completely off the internet?
Well, my best advice is good luck.
Lock yourself in your house, right?
Yeah, we're filmed all day long, everywhere we go these days, and chances are you'll be captured by multiple cameras in the course of a day. Keeping your image off the internet is pretty difficult. Once it's on there, there are certain ways you can go about getting it taken down, and the best advice there is to contact a lawyer to help you on that.
One final question for you. Where exactly, in your opinion, are we headed in terms of this information being shared involuntarily, sites that share your personal information, whether it be your address or, like we said, photos and video?
Well, there are issues with sharing personal information, addresses, credit cards, phone numbers, that kind of thing. There may be privacy rights involved there, but if you're just being recorded walking down the street, that's essentially a public act, and it can be shared without any real consequence.
And don't text and walk. That's a simple solution to at least that particular issue. Larry Walters, thanks for coming in tonight.